Okay, today we're going to do a little work on our compost project. This is a two-part exercise. Number one, we're going to demonstrate the spider compost sifter, and then we're going to make some compost tea for the garden. So you can see our fabulous compost bins here. So before we started, we moved the bin over and turned that compost pile. You can see where it was here. You've already got a pretty nice compost here. And all of this compost has already been run through the 1/2-inch screen on the compost sifter. So it's pretty well screened, but it's been composting here for a while. And so now we're going to do the 1/4-inch screen and sift it fine for the use in the garden. And this is what we started with. This is the mulch from the county's recycle center. You see how coarse it is. We ran this through the 1/2-inch screen first, and we put the leftovers. This is what was screened out. See how that's coarse, super coarse material, and then what went through the sifter wound up in here. Now this has been decomposing for a while, and we've already added lots of rabbit poop. We had some chicken poop as well, but about 20% of that is rabbit manure. And so we're going to set up the sifter now and do a fabulous demonstration. You can see we have our 1/4-inch screen here. The 1/2-inch is still on there, and so we're going to swap these out. And then unclip it from underneath. Yeah, we should have done this while it was on the ground. Website has lots of pictures of this thing, so you can see everything. Lots of construction notes. So if you can't see it here, you can see it on the website in the pictures. Straight from there. Okay, you can see my brand new cord's already wrapped up with tape. That's from where the cord had been hanging over the side like this while it was vibrating, and it chewed up our, you can see some of it here, chewed up our cord. So we learned that you got to go over the top like this and loosely lash to the legs over here, and that way it doesn't hang on the vibrating surface. Now this is the switch that came with the motor, and in addition we purchased this variable speed switch, and all of this is detailed on the website, and this way we can control the speed. We're going to demonstrate the switch here, and so the speed, it's variable speed, and we don't know when is the best time to use what speed, but we're going to play with that today. And so that's as slow as it'll go. And then so the other thing we wanted to demonstrate was how to adjust the height. So these legs have to be in a bind. Come over here and show this close up. right here, showing this bolt. You can see when I put the legs together, there's slop in the bolts there. And so the way this works is you got to put them in a bind by spreading them out. Once you get them spread out, they hold. So if you want to make it shorter, you just lower the legs. Lower the legs, Willie. See? And then let go. You see it's not extremely stable, but this is the best of the option. So stand it back up and then spread the legs out, get them in a bind. And then we can do the same thing in the rear and spread them out and make it lower. So again, we can adjust the height, stand it back up, and from experience we know. Okay, Willie, go ahead and turn it on. Turn it down as low as it'll go. That's not enough. Turn it up some. Come closer, please. See, when you put a lot on there, turn it all the way down. When you put a lot on there, it doesn't really vibrate enough. Turn it up. More. Okay. A little higher. Go full speed. Turn it up a little bit. Turn it down a little bit. Up a little more. Up more. More. Too much. I want to lower the back a little bit, Willie.
I was just thinking we should do that.
It'll slow it down. It won't drain quite so fast. Okay, turn it back on. Hold on. Turn it up a little more. All right, let's raise it just a little bit. Let's get a close up. Look, there's the earthworm got through. See the earthworm? Look at this beautiful, beautiful. I think it probably needs to really compost a little more. It looks kind of brown to me, and I'm pretty sure you want black.
What?
But look how beautiful and fine that is. That is some plum fabulous compost. Look at all the ants. There's lots of ants. Lots of doodle bugs or roly-polies, I guess.
Pillworms, pill bugs.
Pill bugs. Look at that beautiful compost. And that's 20% rabbit manure. The rest of it is wood chips. And there might be some chicken litter in there also. But I think it's mostly rabbit poop, and beautiful wood chip compost.
Dad, let's take a picture together.
Did you get a close-up of that bug? Is that okay? And so this is the leftovers. This is what's been sifted. Come get a close look. This is mostly wood chips that haven't yet decomposed, and there may be some rabbit. I think that's probably rabbit pellets. It hasn't totally decomposed or broken down. Caitlin showed the spillage here. And so there wasn't much spillage. And we could, we have 2 wheelbarrows. You could have put a wheelbarrow under this other end, and you'd had a much bigger surface to catch the falling debris. That's it. Thanks for watching.